So the Spring welcome Spring Microservices. So we're going to see that define microservice, service discovery and communication between microservices. I have a monolithic application is divided into number of microservices. Here my big monolithic application is divided into 4 applications and each one is a microservice. The first microservice is for functionality user profile, and second microservice is core functionality, and other microservices for doing some other business functionality. So the core functionality might need a data from the microservice user profile. So core functionality microservice make a RESTful API call to the microservice user profile and get a response, and then core functionality web service gives response. So the communication between the microservices is by RESTful API calls. So monolithic application is when monolithic application is divided into n number of microservices, and thus managing, identifying the microservices and making a RESTful API calls become clumsy and difficult. So Spring provides us that Spring Cloud, and Spring Cloud gives us provision that register a microservice. So when we would want to communicate with the microservice, and Spring Cloud looks at service registry and discover that microservice and call that respective web service. So Spring Cloud is providing a provision that so one application we can make that as a Spring Cloud by adding Spring Cloud server dependencies, and we can make a microservice as a client to Spring Cloud by adding a Spring Cloud client dependencies to that microservice. And server application include the dependency that act as a Spring Cloud, and when microservice include the client dependency and it acts as the client to that server and register this microservice to that server registry. And this is the Spring Eureka. Spring providing that cloud is Spring Eureka Cloud. So when Spring Eureka Cloud, when we may include the Spring Cloud dependencies in that one application, and that application act as a Spring Eureka Cloud. Here see that I registered 2 microservices, and that is one is Cinemas Info service and Cinemas List service. So when we make a RESTful API call to that service and it discovers and identifies that location, an instance of that microservice application, and then make a call to it. I have created 3 applications in my workspace, and one of is that discovery server. So one application, that is discovery server, I make it as a Spring Cloud by including the dependencies Spring Cloud server dependencies. In pom.xml I include that Eureka server dependencies and the version of the cloud version, artifact version, and this application becomes the Spring Cloud. And I have 2 other microservices, that is demo test and movie info. So I want this service to be registered to the cloud. To that, I need to include the client dependencies in that application. So when include the client dependencies in that application, when we run this application, it automatically register to that Spring Cloud. And I have another microservice, and that also included that's client service, client dependencies, so that this register to the cloud as a microservice. And one more thing, that this we see this name, application name, and that application name we can provide it application properties, so that register with the application name. So I given this Cinemas Info service, and the first microservice, the name is Cinema List service. Now I would want to communicate from one microservice to another service. So Cinema List service actually has the data of cinemas, and here I'm setting the data in set cinemas list, and this I am setting the data. Actually cinemas list has the data. So there is one more microservice, that Cinemas Info microservice, and this application I have the web service Cinemas Info. When I invoke this, when I call this API Cinemas Info, it make a call to the first microservice, that is Cinema List service, and get the cinemas list, and that cinemas list is giving as a response to this Cinemas Info web service. So we are making a communication, making a RESTful API call to another microservice, but through service registry in the cloud. So when we call this with the service registered with the name Cinemas List service discovery identifies that is list service at the local that server on local host, and then it executes that. So it calls that, make a call to that API and gives the response, and that response will be the response of Cinemas Info. This is running at 8082 port, so that I am calling that, and that is returning this, and this is making the call to first microservice, which actually has the data, and that is returning, and that same data is being returned as a response to Cinemas Info. So this is the way we register the microservice, so that when I make a call to microservice, cloud discovers that service and finds in service registry and make a and get the respective instance of that microservice, and then make a call to that.